Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's My Life Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. We're here in Walking Street Fields Avenue with Leon, and let's go.
Oh, hello!
Okay, Shira, let's go. Thank you. Промо вірен в інший ресторан.
Hey, Smart, bar up, sir! Come on!
Sa kanila, di ko.
Not hot for you, Shira.
Hey, how are you?
Came out of the line for the mental he actually missed a tackle earlier, but on this occasion he
Only Leta only have for night.
Stars Club. Stars. Ah, like this, take a look, Shara. This one they remove from the hair. Yeah, you see? What is before Georgi said it's animals. Yes?
No, it's flies.
What is this?
Flies.
Fly,
Like
okay,
Flies. In the
Flies.
sky, I don't know how to say.
Okay. I think it's new bar soon. Thank you. Oh, already they open or not?
Ay, photo booth.
From Isan. Close. Soon open maybe. Self photo studio. Ah, they only print picture.
Yeah,
Like,
New one, photo mine.
From Isan restaurant.
Yeah, it's understand.
For
I
Korean.
want some.
Ah, it's popular, Shaira, popular.
Yeah, so that we
You
can
can
have.
also stop it. Put it in your hair. And they have also wait.
Okay, we will try
Taking pictures,
later.
yeah.
But now close, maybe open soon.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow.
End of the month, you said they will open it.
Good, good. Okay, thank you. Shaira tired.
I'm
Tired?
not tired.
Not tired?
I just want to eat only.
Okay.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.